Welcome to this video on visa sponsorship jobs in Canada for 2023 and how to apply with the official website. Canada is a popular destination for job seekers around the world, with a range of job opportunities available in various industries. In this video, we will guide you through the process of finding and applying for visa sponsorship jobs in Canada, as well as provide you with the official website for more information. A visa sponsorship job in Canada refers to a job that is offered to a foreign worker by an employer who is willing to sponsor their work permit or permanent residency application. These jobs are often advertised as LMIA-exempt positions, which means that the employer does not need to obtain a labor market impact assessment (LMA) to hire a foreign worker. Eligibility requirements. In order to be eligible for visa sponsorship jobs in Canada, there are a number of requirements that must be met. Firstly, you must have the necessary education and work experience for the specific job that you are applying for. This means that you must have the qualifications and experience that are required to perform the duties of the job to a satisfactory standard. In addition to having the required qualifications and work experience, you may also need to meet certain language requirements. This is because in order to work in Canada, you will need to be able to communicate effectively in either English or French. Depending on the job and industry, there may be specific language requirements that you must meet. Finally, you will also need to be able to support yourself financially during your stay in Canada. This means that you must have sufficient funds to cover your living expenses, such as accommodation, food, and transportation, without relying on public assistance. The amount of funds required may vary depending on the length of your stay and your specific circumstances. It's important to note that the eligibility requirements for visa sponsorship jobs in Canada may vary depending on the job and industry. Some jobs may have additional requirements that must be met, such as a criminal background check or a medical examination. It's important to research the specific requirements for the job that you are applying for before starting the application process. How to find visa sponsorship jobs in Canada. Now that you know what visa sponsorship jobs in Canada are and the eligibility requirements, let's look at the steps involved in finding and applying for these jobs. Step 1. Research the job market. The first step is to research the job market in Canada and determine which industries and occupations are in need of workers. You can do this by browsing job boards and websites, such as the Canadian government's Job Bank website. Step 2. Check visa and work permit requirements. Once you have identified the industries and occupations that are in need of workers, you can check the visa and work permit requirements for working in Canada. This can usually be found on the Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada (IRCC) website. Step 3. Apply for visa sponsorship jobs in Canada. After identifying the industries and occupations that are in need of workers and ensuring you meet the eligibility requirements, you can apply for visa sponsorship jobs in Canada. You will need to fill out the application form and provide all the required documents, including your CV, education and work experience certificates, and language test results. Official website link: https://www.canada.ca/immigration-refugees-citizenship/services/work-canada/permit/temporary/apply.html. Step 4. Wait for a decision. After submitting your application, you will need to wait for a decision from the employer or the IRCC. The processing time can vary depending on the volume of applications and the complexity of your case. You can check the status of your application online. Official website link: https://www.canada.ca/immigration-refugees-citizenship/services/application/check-status.html. If your application is successful, you will be issued a work permit or permanent residency in Canada, which will allow you to live and work in Canada for the duration of the permit or residency. You may also be eligible to apply for citizenship in Canada, depending on your circumstances. This has brought us to the end of this video. Let us know in the comments section your thoughts if you tried this already or you faced any difficulty while doing it. Don't also forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification icon to keep yourself updated on the sponsorship, jobs, immigration, and scholarships we will bring to you every day on this channel. We will see you in our next video.